In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Auto Refresh Plus to Chrome. If you've ever needed a page to reload on its own, maybe a status dashboard, a queue, or a page that updates frequently, this extension makes that simple and reliable. I'll walk you through getting it from the official source, installing it correctly, and making sure it's easy to access whenever you need it. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store by going to chromewebstore.google.com. This is the safest place to get Chrome extensions. Once the store loads, use the search bar at the top and type Auto Refresh Plus. In the results, look for the extension with that exact name and click it to open its page. You can glance over the description and reviews if you like, just to confirm you're on the right listing. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a quick confirmation. In many cases, its icon appears in the top right corner near the address bar right away. If you don't see it there, don't worry, we'll make it visible next. To keep Auto Refresh Plus handy, click the extension's icon, the little puzzle piece, at the top right of Chrome. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find Auto Refresh Plus in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning adds the extension's icon to your toolbar, so it's always one click away. This is especially helpful if you plan to use it often because you won't need to dig through menus. A few practical tips to get the most out of it. When you set up refresh intervals, start with longer times, like 30 to 60 seconds. This helps avoid hitting site limits and keeps your browsing smooth. Only run it on the tabs you actually need refreshed so you don't waste system resources or create unexpected reloads. If a page starts reloading when you're trying to read or type, you can stop the refresh right away, either by clicking on the page or by stopping the timer using the extension's controls, depending on how it's set up. Also, be cautious on pages with forms or unsaved work because refreshing can clear what you've entered. That's it. You've successfully added and pinned Auto Refresh Plus in Chrome. With just a click, you're ready to set automatic reloads whenever you need them, safely and efficiently.